We're back with more coffee stories. Dave and Ian here from the Driftaway roasting team, previewing our cold brew offerings for the months of June and July.
In the cold brew bold profile this month, we're offering a delicious Colombian coffee which makes for a sweet and toasty cold brew.
This coffee is from Huila in Colombia, which is located in the southwest area of the country. Asociación La Victoria is the co-op that the coffee comes from and is located in Santa Maria, a northern department of the Huila municipality.
Colombia is a country that is full of many coffee-growing regions and many people enthusiastically working to grow, discover, organize, and promote Colombian coffee. There is an overwhelming amount of interest in coffee in Colombia. It's kind of like a movie queue. You will never find the time to watch, or in this case, taste, all of it. If you're in the mood for wild and bright flavors, Colombia has that. Or in the case of La Victoria, if you want a nostalgic flavor profile like Colombia has been producing for generations, you can have that too. The story of Asociación La Victoria is one of rediscovery. Coffee farmers that were cut off from the international market because of war and chaos are now able to reach out and let themselves be known. Their coffee and farming practices have been preserved through this time and are now featured with full traceability of the farmers who grew it. This coffee is being introduced to a generation of coffee drinkers that have never tasted coffee from these farms or regions.
This coffee makes a heavy cold brew, which is matched by its sweetness, and carries notes of dark chocolate, caramel, and coffee liqueur. We recommend brewing it by steeping the mesh coffee bag for 16 hours at room temperature, while following the recipe instructions included with your order. When the coffee is ready, simply remove the compostable mesh bag and dispose of it. For more info about this coffee, visit its page on our site at driftaway.coffee/CNC and follow the links in the description below for our other offerings this month. Thanks for checking out Coffee Stories. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you next month.